Hey guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back live at Publix, and you guys, I am not here at Publix for a long time. I am here for a good time, and I want to show you a deal that I just tested out first to make sure it worked. And it is so good. I haven't had time this week to do a deep dive into Publix. I will be 100% honest. I've had a lot going on this week. My mom has been back in the hospital, so I just didn't have time to do just like that thorough look at all of the deals. But I did want you guys to see this deal that I just tested out. I came up with when I saw it, I was like, let me go see if this is going to be the magic that I think it's going to be. It was, so I definitely have to show you guys this. I also want to show you guys a couple more deals that I did not do this week, but that I think are really good. So first thing is on the Dial hand soap. If this is your hand soap of choice, these are on sale at 2 for $5. We do have a $1 store coupon that I will show you guys. It is in this little flyer that we have up at the front at some stores, and it's also in some of our inserts depending on where you live. It was in our inserts, but we have a $1 store coupon for this that you can use to make these just $1.50. And now that I'm opening this up and looking at this coupon is also good on the body wash too. There's the lookup number, it's 10635 if you can use a lookup number, but it's also good on the Dial body wash that is on sale 2 for $7. So if you use those $1 store coupons, that'll make it 2 for $5. I don't think we have any manufacturer coupons, but if you do have some manufacturer coupons that you want to add into the mix on that, remember that you can use your manufacturer coupons with these babies right here. Next deal I'm grabbing is on the Too Good smoothies. So these are 5 for $5 this week, so $1 each. We do have $1 back on Ibotta, making them completely free. I'm also going to be grabbing one of these Airwick linen and petals right here. So these are $12.99 regular price, but we do have $6 in a digital coupon, and we have $6 back on Ibotta, making them only 99 cents. Next thing we're going to be grabbing is this Allegra. So these are $11.99, and we're going to be using the $5 coupon in the extra savings flyer and the $4 digital coupon. After those coupons, we'll pay $2.99, but then get back $4 in cash from Ibotta, making these babies free plus a $1 moneymaker. The next thing I wanted to test while I was here, and this test didn't go the way I wanted it to, was on the White Cloud toilet paper. So these are $6.99 a piece, and we do have a $3 coupon in front of the product. Makes them only $3.99, which is already a stock up price for this toilet paper because this toilet paper is great. It's actually one of my favorite ones. But I also had a 5 off of 15 digital coupon that I was hoping was going to stack with this. It did not come off for me at the register, so I ended up putting these back, but definitely a good deal if you like this brand. So now let's talk about the main deal that I wanted to try out when I came in here, because I was putting together this deal in my mind when I saw all the coupons, but I didn't really know if it was going to work in execution, but it did. So these Scott paper towels is what I wanted to get stocked up on. These are not on sale. They are $8.49 regular price, and you have to grab the 6 = 12 rolls. So I went on ahead and I decided to get $50 worth, which is 6 packs. 6 packs will total us up to $50.94. Now, the reason I wanted to get 6 packs is because we have this digital coupon offer for $15 off when you spend $50. So I wanted to get up to that $50 mark. And with that, you can also use store coupons. So I decided to use this buy 2, get 1 free coupon that we have in the extra savings flyer, because buying 6 of them, I can use 2 of these coupons, which will deduct $8.49 each. So with saving that $8.49 each, that brings me down to $33.96, and then minus the $15 coupon, I'm down to $18.96. But then we also have some additional coupons for the Scott. In that same flyer that I showed you for the Dial, we do have $1 coupons in there, or you might have also received them in your insert. I used a total of 6 of those. That brought me down to $12.96. And we also have 50-cent printable coupons for these on the Scott website. I only used 2 of those. So just using 2 of the coupons, I paid $11.96. But then I also had a Fetch Rewards offer available where if I spend $25 in Scott paper towels, I would get back $2. So that took me from $11.96 all the way down to $9.96 for all 6 packs of paper towels, you guys. A cart full of paper towels for $9.96. That breaks down to $1.66 per pack. And then I use this moneymaker that I'm about to show you in order to reduce that even further. So this is the moneymaker that I use to make the paper towels even more cheap. So the Splendid Peel and Pour is the moneymaker that just keeps on giving. These are $4.49 each. So 2 of them will total us up to $8.98. I did use 2 of the $3 coupons that brought me down to $2.98. And then I got back $6.99 from Ibotta for picking up 2, made these a $4.01 moneymaker. So you guys, this is the first transaction that I'm going to do. I have my 6 Scott paper towels. I have my Airwick, my 2 Good smoothies, and my Splenda. Here is a close-up of my receipt for that transaction. After my coupons were applied, I paid out $24.93. And then I did get back a total of $17.99 from Ibotta. That was no bonuses, just the rebates for the Airwick, the 2 Good, and the Splenda. And then I also got back $2.50 from Fetch Rewards. That made my final cost for all of those items, the Scott, the 2 Good, the Airwick, the Splenda. Everything cost just $4.44. And then I made that money, that $4, right back by doing another transaction on my husband's account with the Allegra, the Splenda, and then I also got another Airwick, you guys. That was a $4 moneymaker transaction, which paid for the first transaction, making this trunk full of goodies completely free. So that's it for my Publix haul for this week, you guys. If you can definitely do the Scott deal, if you need paper towels, definitely take advantage of those savings because this is definitely a stock up price for Scott products. That 15 off of 50 coupon does include a lot of different products. So it includes things like the Cottonelle, the Scott toilet paper as well, the Poise, Huggies. So if you need any of those products, you may be able to come up with a different deal for those also. So look at all of the coupons that are available and see what you have. Also, make sure that you check the end caps for the Scott paper towels because I only had like maybe 3 packs of the Scott on my shelf where the paper towels are, but on the end caps there was much, much more. So as always, I thank you so much for watching today's video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. I will talk to you all soon. Bye.